Welcome back to TXT Track Time. Earlier today, Elaine Thompson-Herah opened her indoor 60-meter season by producing a blazing 7.08 run to win the Mueller Grand Prix in Birmingham. Stick with us, and when we get back, we will break down the race for you. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're on a journey to 10K subscribers. Your support allows us to continue bringing you quality content.
Unbelievable! He's done it again! Thompson puts here! Thompson-Herah wins! 10.60! Olympic record! Wow! Another goal! The legacy as one of the all-time greats is surely complete.
Trackies, what's good? So, in our previous video, TXT Track Time stated that Elaine should easily run 7.05 seconds and book a spot on the team for the World Championships in March. Interestingly, in her pre-race interview yesterday, Elaine stated that she was not sure if she would be going to the World Indoors and will be taking it one race at a time. However, based on the run we just witnessed, it is fair to say that Elaine is definitely in shape to contest the World Indoors next month, if that's the route herself and her team choose to explore. Anyway, until that is decided, let's get back to the race at hand. Elaine is known for gauging her effort of who she's racing against, and as an experienced athlete, she would know not to extend herself unnecessarily during a circuit run, and that's what we saw from her today. Besides, guys, she also did state that she will not be putting herself under any unnecessary pressure to run fast. Elaine got out of the blocks a little slower than we would have liked. Her reaction to the gun placed her second to last of all the competitors. However, she was able to join the pack by 30 meters and power home to a comfortable victory, being in control of her pace and the race the entire time. The run today places Elaine fourth on the leaderboard of times posted this year in the 60 meters, and number 1 for Jamaicans this season. So, even though Elaine didn't run a world lead today, TXT Track Time wants to highlight that not only was this Elaine's first race of the season, it was also a one-off run with no heats or semifinals, thus no warm-up run.
Picking up on T's point, the other 3 ladies that have posted faster times than Elaine this season benefited from having a heat prior to their finals. Additionally, trackies, let's face the facts. These ladies are 60-meter specialists, training all season indoors as well as benefiting from years of training indoors. Elaine, on the other hand, trains outdoors in Jamaica. And trackies, the Birmingham track is a temporary track that is rebuilt for these events each season. So even though we are sure that Elaine had a few warm-up exercises on the track, she definitely would have benefited from at least one all-out run in a heat before the finals. Yet, with only one run, her first time touching an indoor track all season, our good up queen was able to stamp her class and leave a quality field of Olympic finalists in her wake. And trackies, the last time Queen Elaine graced an indoor track was way back in 2019, 3 years ago. So you know she do good to win in such a commanding fashion. TXT Track Time is excited to see Elaine winning at the top of the season, and now that business is taken care of, she can look ahead for what is to come. We expect to see her coaching staff fine-tuning her start in preparation for World Indoors. Because back in 1993, when Irina Privalova ran that blistering 6.92 seconds, her start was explosive. But of course, this all hinges on the fact of whether Elaine is going to World Indoors or not. Trackies, what do you think of Elaine's run today? Stick with us as we continue to bring you blow-by-blow coverage of everything track and field. And please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm Tam.
And I'm your girl T. We'll catch you in another one.